Manueleaso. Here's two sentences. Olea o alu and a o alu. Olea o alu means I will go. A o alu means when I go. Olea o alu is a complete sentence. I will go. If I just said a o alu, you'd be sitting there like, a o alu what? When I go what? Because it's just a condition, and you'd be waiting on the rest of the statement or the result. It's not a full statement. I'd have to say, a o alu, olea o kalango yakeia. When I go, I will speak to him. A o alu, or when I go, is a condition. The result of me going is olea o kalangoa yakeia, or I will talk to him. Let's look at the tense marker olea. The a means when. To form a conditional statement like, when I go to the school, I will get your homework, you could say, a o alu ile fale aonga. The when starts the sentence, so we say a and then go right into our sentence structure like we normally do. Since this form of when is referring to something in the future, you're often going to see the tense marker olea to meet the condition of the sentence. So, olea o mawa lau mea aonga. So the condition is a o alu ile fale aonga, when I go to the school. And the result of that condition would be olea o mawa lau mea aonga, I will get your homework. A o alu ile fale aonga, olea o mawa lau mea aonga. Now when you use the a in the middle of the sentence, the bea form is used. So let's switch the sentence around. For example, the result would be olea o mawa lau mea aonga, I will get your homework. That's what I'm going to do. And here's the condition. Bea o alu ile fale aonga, when I go to the school. Olea o mawa lau mea aonga, bea o alu ile fale aonga, when I go to the school. Now there are other forms of when as well, but today we're just going to talk about the future conditional when. And this lesson is brought to us by Kuingise Le'ika Ua, Fafka Kele Lava Mo Lau Mea Lofa, Fafka Kele Lava Fo'iau Ko Mo Leava Noa. Mako.